And I shot this film in a setting that I was familiar with, using the mechanisms of documentary film, trying as much as possible to create a world and look at it, observe it. When I made documentaries, often I would just stand in the corner and watch what happened. There I was, just there, observing reality. And then I chose a point of view and looked into it in greater depth. And that's what I did here. I created a world here and observed it. And since I constructed this reality, the reality that usually I observe in documentaries, and I did this here in a feature film, and the work that I did before the shoot was one that made it possible for me to, on the set, just watch with distance, with respect, what was going on, so that the characters could represent what they felt was necessary. The last question now? At the front. Question for the director. In the film, you can see very much the relationship between Valentina and her mom. But Stefano always seems to not have any parents. He gets attached to his friend, but well, you see this in the first 4 minutes of the film. Stefano doesn't want to be left on his own. His past in the past isn't narrated in the film. And perhaps, if you think about his past, you might think that he didn't really have a close relationship with his family, because Silvia, although she has a conflict with her parents, does have a family who's there as a yardstick. She's not on her own, whereas Marco used to be out on a limb on his own. And the only thing that he really needs in life is not to be on his own. And when he collapses because he's all on his own. Thank you. Thank you very much. And see you soon. Thank you for joining us in Berlin.